All right, hey everyone, this is Andrew Miller here. You know me as A Miller on the Rocket Chat or Socrates1024 on Twitter. You know me as the Rooster Twitter guy. So this is going to be another unboxing video. Haven't done an unboxing video in a while. Zcon got just done, Zcon 1 a little while ago, back traveling from that. So in that spirit, I thought since last time we did an unboxing video using Bitcoin. If you didn't see the last unboxing video, I'll try to put a link right up here maybe. Yeah, right in that corner there. So you should definitely go check that out. But this time we're going to be doing an unboxing video with stuff I bought using Zcash. So let's see here. Basically what's happened is there's a bunch of different payment processors that now accept Zcash, so a lot of the same online merchants that accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies now accept a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies, Zcash included. Most of them use T addresses, but you can still send from a shielded address, so you can still get the Zcash privacy benefit if you want. And all of the stuff that I had ordered to try out has just arrived, so I thought we'd go through that. So let's see which one we want to do first. First one that I got is actually from HODL Fuel. HODL Fuel's, this is going to be some coffee. HODL Fuel's been around for a long time. I think they've done Bitcoin coffee for quite a while. So let me see here. I'm going to open this US Postal Service priority mailbox. I figured out ahead of time how I'd open my packages, but here we go. Alright, so came in priority mailbox. Let's see how I can open this. It's taped in pretty good. Alright. Oh, wow. I actually, in trying to cut open the box, did pretty much the only obvious thing that you could do to bring up an unboxing video, which is I cut straight through the actual coffee seal. So I don't know how you can manage to do an unboxing video wrong, but I kind of found the main way. Already got an, oh good, I got two different ones of these. So here we go, here's HODL Fuel Satoshi Blend. You can kind of see this, except there's the big gash in the coffee thing, so I'm literally just spilling coffee all over here. I think this was about like, you know, roughly $10 worth of Zcash. Zcash is around $70 right now, so I don't know, that would have been like a fraction of a Zcash, maybe like 0.14 Zcash. So this is 12 ounces of Satoshi Blend. It is already ground. I was kind of expecting it to be whole bean, but this looks coarse ground. That's good because I have a French press. I actually got two different packages of coffee here. One was the Satoshi Blend. The other is, well, it's standard medium. No, it's just another Satoshi Blend, so another of the same one. I didn't slice through this bag. Classic rookie unboxing mistake. Got a couple other cool things in this package. I got a HODL Fuel sticker. That's pretty great. Proof of coffee, love it. Alright, I paid in Zcash, but they thought to send me a Litecoin little tag, so got a little promotional package for Litecoin. Maybe next time they'll include Zcash for that sort of thing. So HODL Fuel bought some coffee, so you can buy the most secretive coffee on earth by paying with Zcash for some mail order coffee. Alright, so next up I actually have some honey. So this is honey that comes from Dr. Apiece. I assume it's Apiece like apiary, something like that, not Dr. APIs. That would probably be what you would get for some, you know, programmer honey. Not Drapus either. All right, let's see if I can open this up without slicing through the honey somehow. All right. Still can't believe that I sliced through my coffee on my first attempt here, but that's how you know this is authentic. Alright, so this comes packaged in some bubble wrap, some, well, this is kind of fun. This is just some, I wonder if, yeah, okay, so we've got some Spanish language catalog filler. I can go through these catalogs and see if there's anything cool that I want to order. Alright. That's probably interesting. This comes from Portugal, so this is actually honey from Dr. Apiece's in Portugal. Maybe it is Drapus and not Dr. Apiece. I have no idea what the word apiary means, if it actually has to do with bees. So maybe that's a stupid thing to say, but who knows. Alright, Alright, so I've got to get through the bubble wrap here. Alright, and check this out. This is Dr. AP's, or Drape's, raw unfiltered honey. I don't know how clearly that comes across there. If I get it right in the reflection, you can probably see that okay. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a lot of like wax kind of honeycomb stuff in the bottom, and it's got this nice burlap tied top. So this, and it's got a QR code, of course. I'm sure I can get like a whole supply chain provenance tracking manifest by scanning that QR code. Let's just see if I can get into this burlap sap. Okay. Gonna look up what apiary means. I hope it has to do with bees. Alright, there we go, some sealed honey. So check this out. I have, I was just gonna pour this all over my hand and, no, I thought ahead and have a spoon. Didn't think about how I was gonna open the coffee, but I have a spoon so I can taste the honey here. Alright, I am still spilling honey over everything, but there we go, I really want to taste this. That is some good honey. Tastes like honey. Not too sure what I was expecting. Maybe some like rare exotic taste. I was hoping I could say, oh, you can really taste the unfiltration. Like this tastes like an unfiltered bee. It just tastes like some very nice honey. I think this was I should have made a note of how much this cost, but I don't remember. I think it was like something like $20 for this. I think I had to pay about as much for shipping this unfiltered honey as I had to pay for the honey itself, but that's how it goes when you mail order stuff from Portugal, I guess. Okay, so that's Dr. Apis honey. It's got to be Dr. Apis because I'm pretty sure apiary has something to do with bees, and their logo is a bee with a little plus, like a little medical plus, so I'm sure that this is Dr. Apis. I won't have it any other way. All right. So the last thing that I have to open is going to be some hot sauce. If you remember last time I got some like beef jerky, this time I've got some pepper sauce. This is from Peck's Peppers in Pueblo, Colorado. Right. Get this open somehow here. Forgotten how difficult unboxing videos are. But this one has a to open lift tab, so I don't need to slice through it. Let's go through the tab here. Alright, gotta open this. Comes in a nice cardboard box. Okay. Oh, I see what's going on. It's in another priority mail kind of package. This is a little baffling because this is clearly in a US priority mail package, and yet the priority mail package is inside a FedEx package. Frankly, that doesn't make any sense to me at all. I guess they just had extra envelopes. Alright. So I got 2 bottles. This is some cherry popper. Alright, this is some Carolina Reaper hot sauce. And do I have another of the same kind? Yeah, this is just 2 of the same kind. So this is some nice packaging. So this is Peck's Peppers, cherry popper. Here, let me see if you can see really clearly the information here, right? Carolina Reaper and cherry hot sauce. If I scroll this around, it's a bottle, and just turn it around, you can see this is on the ultra hot side of the spectrum. So this could be exciting. I ordered the hottest peppers I could find on the Peck's Peppers site. So I actually have some tortilla chips here, so I'm going to try out this hot sauce. And if these, I've actually been eating some Carolina Reaper hot sauce just a little in the past few days, so I'd forgotten that this was Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Wasn't expecting ultra hot for this. Maybe this will be really hot and it'll just spoil the rest of my unboxing video here. But let's go for it. Just gonna kind of drip this hot sauce all over. Don't know how well you can see. Here's about how much hot sauce I have. Try not to spill it on my laptop. All right. Yep. Well, it tastes great. And then the heat really starts to hit you. It's really hot. If I'd remembered or realized that this was going to be ultra hot sauce, I'd have thought and brought some water, but I have some Lagavulin Scotch whiskey here. Yeah, that's delicious. This would freak me out if I wasn't already eating some Carolina Reaper hot sauce. That's really hot. That's delicious. Hot sauce gives me hiccups, so totally split the rest of this video by going to have hiccups all the way through it. But that's fantastic. Okay, so I can, excuse me, so I can tell from the logo that when it says cherry popper, and it's Carolina Reaper and cherry hot sauce, it's not like two kinds of peppers. It's like actually cherries and Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So that tastes great. Although yeah, nose is running super hot. I feel pretty composed, but flushed a little bit. Now I've just got hiccups, so what can you do about that? It tastes great. All right, so the last package I have here. I'll tell you what, before I go from the last package, I want to show off something. So my mom is a watercolor artist, Karen Harrod, and I commissioned for one of my birthday gifts from her a painting called Zeal. I wanted to show it to you. Here it is. I don't know how good of a look you can get of that. Get this in frame kind of nicely. So this is Zeal. It's a pack of 4 zebras in honor of the Zcash mascot. So if you like watercolor art, this is acrylic. But if you like artwork like this, I'll put a link in the description to my mom's website, harroddesign.com, and you can go and commission your own paintings. Normally she does Florida wildlife, birds, excuse me, birds, Florida wildlife, but she'll also do cryptocurrency things if it's interesting enough and if it has animals. Okay, so far we've gone through the really hot sauce, the Huddle Fuel coffee, and what else did I have? Oh, the honey from Portugal. So all of these 3 I bought, I wanted to do some, diversity of unboxing videos. I got all of these, links to all of these websites from paywithzcash.com. So it's like a list of things that, places that accept Zcash. But they all actually use the same payment processor. They all used coin payments, the payment processor. So even though they were 3 different merchants, it all sort of got funneled through the same payment processor. So I wanted to do something a little different. So one of the things that I bought is a notepad, and I bought this using openbazaar. So clearly if you want to do an unboxing video, buying things with openbazaar is a lot more interesting because it goes through Tor, and it has like native support for Zcash. It's a lot more interesting. So this is actually like an Etsy style custom notepad that came all the way from Efimova Natalia in Russia. And here's some more bubble wrap. Let's see if I can get through this without chopping the notebook in half. Right, it's got a lot of layers of bubble wrap here. That hot sauce is killer. All right, 3rd layer of unwrapping. Okay, and then it's nicely wrapped in some tissue paper. All right, and here we go. So here is a handmade notebook. This is like a little artistic notebook. Oh, check out this. So it's got a little magnetic clasp. All right, a little decoration on it. Little bookmark tassel there. So this is a nice gray notebook. So I don't know, maybe I'll write all of my private key backups in this cool notebook. It came to me all the way from Russia via post, I guess. So this I actually got through openbazaar. So anyway, this is a lot more interesting than all the other things I bought, which go through, coinpayments.net and just ordinary e-commerce. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna have, just to close this video off, I'm gonna have a little bit more of the hot sauce. See if I can get those insane hiccups going again. You really taste the cherry right away. It's like, oh, this is a nice sweet hot sauce. Then Carolina Reaper, really hotness just hits, so that's exciting. Okay, so I guess that's all of the stuff that I had to show off. That's all of the stuff that I did from my unboxing video. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to put out new content at least every decade. So that's all for now. See you guys later.